Hey guys, so here's one thing I like to do. I made this straight line rip jig for the table saw last year or the year before. And I've got these church pews, recycled church pews. I'm using these rails to connect the legs on that live edge bench. But it's got this odd shape. So I wanted to get rid of that open section. So what I did, using my Ryobi glue gun, which is fantastic, this is my cut line where the blade's going to be. So it's going to get rid of that open area here and leave me a straight edge. This is the first one I did. So I got a nice straight edge to glue and connect, right? All I did was use my Craig jig, my Craig measuring tool here, set it to where it cuts, and then go along this and set it. And then once I had it set in place, I put these dabs of glue. Don't be afraid to use a lot because it needs to be a good bond. And I would blow this off or wipe it off so it sticks, so the glue sticks. Let that dry for about 10 minutes. Then I'll run it through the saw just like I did before and get that great straight edge. So this works really well for odd shapes. You can clamp it. You can put some of those screw down clamps, but with this odd shape, I think it would throw it off. So this glue gun was plenty strong enough. I use this on wood turning a lot with this hot glue gun, and you would be amazed at how strong that glue is. So let me know what kind of table saw jigs you have.